Our STEM skills workshops we take into schools. They're an hour long and we have different workshops covering different skills. So we have the People Like Me session. That's more of a Myers-Briggs personality test to get you in line with what type of work are you good at, what type of environment are you good working in. We also have a mental health and mental well-being workshop which goes through how to manage your stress levels, how to recognise mental health issues in yourself and others, and what you can do to sort of combat those issues if they arise. We also have a CV and an interview skills workshop which goes through what is a CV, how do I write a CV, what should I include on a CV, and then we follow it up with what do I do after then, what does an interview look like, how does it take place, how can I prepare myself for an interview. We also go through a Crest Award, so every student has the ability to apply for a Gold Crest Award, which is a report that takes approximately 70 hours, so we do a workshop on how to write a report, what are you going to be evaluated on, how are these things going to affect your working life and how you can use them to apply for a degree. Teachers can get in touch with us via our website. If you go to the schools area on the Science Oxford website, there is a secondary school page and you can contact the STEM Careers department and you can book whether it's one of our workshops, whether it's one of our careers days, or whether you want to nominate a student for an award. You can contact us via our website.